Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a hair tutorial, and this is a highly requested one, which is these voluminous curls. So if you want to be able to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so for the curls that we want to get today, we're going to need 4 things. So the herbal essences spray that I use, and that is in the number 4. The Tresemme heat protecting spray, which I've already put in my hair while it was damp. And then we're gonna need 2 elastics. And then this curling iron that I use, which is 3/4 of an inch, and this is in the Hot Shot Tools. I do put it at temperature 350. My hair is a little thick, so I do want the curls to last longer. If your hair is a little thinner, you probably want to turn down the heat a little bit. Okay, so some of the steps as my previous video of the romantic curls will be the same. So we're gonna go ahead, in this hairstyle that I want, I will be splitting it in half. That way, and then I'll go ahead and tie one end away. And now I'll be splitting this one in half. I'll grab a small piece about this big, and then I'll go ahead and have my curling iron, and I usually go behind my head, and then I always go away from my face. And then I leave about 10 seconds, and then I go ahead and let go. And then I just let it cool off in my hands, just that way the curl won't undo itself so easily. And this is what it should look like. I'm gonna go ahead and get my second piece. And same thing, I'm gonna be facing it away from my face. And there you go, you have it for your second curl. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to do the rest of my hair. Now same thing, we're going to be going away from the face. Okay guys, so this is what the bottom and middle section look like. Now in the middle section, I did focus more on getting closer to my scalp, and same thing goes for the top section. We do want to make sure we get to the closest as possible, that way it doesn't just look flat and then get super curly. We want to try to get as best possible as we can to the scalp. Now I do like to push this hair back, and then when I let go of this hair, make sure it stays in the front. I do like to start from the back all the way to the front. Most of our volume will be on the top part, so you want to make sure you do get smaller pieces. That way it can give us an effect that it is more fuller on the top area. And sometimes your curls won't want to come off, just slip off. So you do want to kind of move your little, this little clamp, and it will let go of the curl. So now we do have our first half done already. So this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. I am gonna fast forward through it. It is gonna be the same exact way I did this one. The only thing is this one also is gonna be away from your face. So the wand as well, I will be having it this way, but the curl will be going away from my face just like this way. It also went away as well. Okay guys, so this is what your final product should look like. Vas a parecer a un poodle, but it's okay. And we're gonna go ahead and just go in and get the pieces that we missed. Any baby hairs, any hairs we left out, we do want to get those fixed before putting any hairspray. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with our hairspray, and I do go by sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it all on this side. Same thing, I do put it in my hand, that way the curls do not fall. And it's very important to get the ends. And there's never enough hairspray, so tú échale. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this side. Okay guys, now this is the most important part. We have to get almost every piece, and you want to start separating them one by one, and that's what's going to give us the most volume. Okay guys, so I'm already done with this side, and you can tell the big difference that it makes. So it is important to go ahead and split each curl up. It does take some time, but it is worth it to get that volume. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Okay guys, so that is how you get these voluminous curls. It does take a little bit of time, but trust me, practice makes perfect. If you like how I achieve these curls, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.